Do you find yourself overwhelmed by clutter in your home? As we age, the spaces we inhabit can become chaotic. This video reveals 8 items you should consider removing to create a more serene environment. Imagine walking into a home that feels calm and organized. What if letting go of a few things could transform your daily life? Clutter can lead to stress and confusion, especially as we get older. It can weigh us down mentally and physically, making it harder to enjoy our homes. Many people desire a peaceful space, but feel trapped by their belongings. By focusing on what we keep, we can create an environment that truly serves us. What items are secretly contributing to your clutter? The job of this video is to help you identify and remove 8 specific items from your home. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to declutter effectively and create a more enjoyable living space. You'll start by understanding the emotional impact of clutter. Then we'll explore each of the 8 items you should consider removing. After that, you'll learn practical ways to let go of these items. Finally, we'll wrap up with tips to maintain your newfound clarity. Get ready for some surprising insights along the way. Studies show that a decluttered environment can lead to improved focus and reduced stress. For instance, one study found that people who worked in organized spaces were 20% more productive. What if your clutter is holding you back from enjoying life to the fullest? Let's dive into the 8 items that shouldn't be in your home after 70. First, consider old magazines and newspapers. They take up space and often go unread. Clear them out to free up not just physical space, but mental energy too. Next, think about outdated electronics. If it's not functional or doesn't bring you joy, it may be time to let it go. Third, let's talk about clothes that no longer fit or suit you. They can linger in your closet, taking up valuable space. Donate what you don't wear to someone who needs it. Fourth, consider those kitchen gadgets you thought you'd use but never do. Keep only the essentials that you really use. Fifth, think about old furniture pieces that no longer serve your lifestyle. If it doesn't fit your current needs, it's time to say goodbye. Sixth, sentimental items can be tough, but they can also clutter your space and mind. Keep the memories that matter most and let go of the rest. Seventh, consider unused gift items. If they're collecting dust, they're not serving a purpose. Finally, old paperwork can pile up quickly. Go through it, shred what you don't need, and keep only important documents. It's a great way to regain control over your environment. By removing these 8 items from your home, you open up space for peace and clarity in your life. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and ready to embrace what truly matters. If you want to dive deeper into creating a peaceful home environment, consider subscribing for more tips on decluttering and organization. Remember that the clutter you remove today can lead to a brighter tomorrow. Creating a peaceful home is within your reach. Now that we've explored the 8 items to consider removing, let's discuss how to take action and implement these changes in your home. It's one thing to identify clutter, but it's another to actually let go of it. The first step is to set aside a dedicated time for decluttering. Whether it's a weekend or a series of short daily sessions, find a schedule that works for you. Visualize the end goal, a serene space where you can relax and enjoy life. This mental image can be a powerful motivator. As you sort through items, remember the feeling of freedom that comes with decluttering. Next, tackle one area at a time. Trying to declutter your entire home in one fell swoop can be overwhelming. Start small, perhaps with a drawer, a closet, or a single room. Celebrate the small victories as you make progress. Each item you remove is a step closer to your peaceful sanctuary. Consider using the one in, one out rule for future purchases. This means that for every new item you bring into your home, you let go of an existing one. This simple strategy helps prevent clutter from building back up and maintains the flow of your newly organized space. As you begin this decluttering journey, don't hesitate to enlist the help of family or friends. Having an extra set of hands can make the process more enjoyable and provide additional support. They can offer a fresh perspective on items you might be holding on to unnecessarily. Remember, letting go of possessions doesn't mean letting go of memories. You can take photos of sentimental items before parting with them, preserving the memories without the physical clutter. This can also serve as a gentle reminder that it's okay to move on from things that no longer serve you. As you create this space, consider how you want to use it moving forward. What activities bring you joy? How can your environment reflect those passions? Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a vibrant hobby area, or simply a calming retreat, envision the purpose of your space. Once you've decluttered, maintaining that sense of openness is key. Regularly revisit your belongings and assess whether they still serve you. This ongoing process can help you stay aligned with your goals for a peaceful home. Incorporating a few mindful practices into your routine can also enhance your living environment. Take a moment each day to tidy up, even if it's just a few minutes. This quick maintenance can prevent clutter from piling up again. Additionally, consider implementing calming elements into your space. Plants, soft lighting, and inviting textures can help create an atmosphere of tranquility. These additions can complement your decluttered space, making it feel even more welcoming and serene. By taking these steps and embracing the process, you're not just decluttering your home, you're also creating a lifestyle that prioritizes peace and clarity. With every item you release, you're making room for new experiences and memories that truly matter. As we wrap up this journey together, remember that decluttering is a personal experience. Don't rush it. Take your time and be gentle with yourself as you let go. The benefits you'll reap from a calmer environment are well worth the effort. If you found these tips helpful, share your decluttering journey in the comments. I'd love to hear about the items you decided to let go of and how it's impacted your space. Creating a peaceful home is not just about the physical space. It's also about nurturing a mindset that values simplicity and clarity. Every small step you take contributes to a larger transformation. So take a deep breath and start today. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you for joining me on this journey to declutter and create a more serene home environment. Remember, you have the power to shape your space and your life. Until next time, keep striving for that tranquility and enjoy every moment in your beautifully decluttered home. As you embark on this decluttering journey, it's important to remember that this process isn't just about getting rid of things. It's about making space for what truly matters. Each item you release creates an opportunity to bring in new energy and possibilities. Embrace the change and let it inspire you to enhance not only your home, but also your overall well-being. Another effective strategy is to create a decluttering checklist. This can help you stay organized and focused on specific areas or categories of items. Break it down into manageable tasks and tick off each item as you go. This sense of accomplishment can motivate you to keep pushing forward, even when the process feels overwhelming. Consider also the emotional aspect of decluttering. It's common to feel a sense of attachment to objects, especially if they hold memories. When you encounter these items, take a moment to reflect on their significance. Ask yourself if they still provide joy or if they're simply occupying space. This reflection can help you make more informed decisions about what to keep and what to let go. Don't forget to think about the future when decluttering. Picture how you want your home to look and feel in the coming years. By keeping this vision in mind, you'll be more inclined to let go of things that don't align with your desired lifestyle. This forward-thinking approach can help you cultivate a space that continues to serve you as you evolve. Once you've decluttered, it's wise to establish a routine for maintaining your space. Set aside time each month to reassess your belongings. This practice not only prevents clutter from accumulating, but also reinforces your commitment to a simpler, more organized lifestyle. The key is consistency. Small, regular check-ins can make a significant difference over time. As you make these changes, be sure to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Whether it's a cleared-out closet or a tidy living room, acknowledging your progress can boost your motivation. Consider rewarding yourself after completing a decluttering session with something you love, perhaps a relaxing evening with a favorite book or a special treat. Sharing your decluttering journey with others can also provide encouragement. Join a local group or an online forum where members exchange ideas and support each other in their efforts to create peaceful spaces. Learning from others and sharing your experiences can enrich your process and help you feel connected to a community of like-minded individuals. To further enhance your living space, think about the concept of functional decor. Choose items that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also serve a purpose. Multifunctional furniture, decorative storage solutions, and plants that purify the air can all contribute to a beautiful and functional home. This approach ensures that everything you have enhances your environment and aligns with your lifestyle. As you continue to declutter, remember that it's okay to revisit items you've let go of. Sometimes the process of decluttering reveals deeper emotional ties or hidden needs. If you find yourself longing for something you've parted with, consider whether it may still hold value in your life. However, be cautious not to slip back into old habits. Balance is key. Ultimately, the goal of decluttering is to create a space that reflects who you are today while allowing room for growth. Your home should be a sanctuary, a place where you feel comfortable and inspired. With each item you remove, you're not just clearing physical space, you're also making a statement about what you value most in your life. As you cultivate this mindset, you might also find it helpful to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Take a few moments each day to practice gratitude for the space you have and the items that bring you joy. This appreciation can shift your perspective and reinforce the positive changes you're making. In closing, your journey toward a peaceful home is uniquely yours. Embrace it with patience and compassion, and allow yourself the grace to navigate this process at your own pace. The path might have its challenges, but the rewards, a serene and harmonious living environment, are well worth the effort. Thank you for joining me on this journey of decluttering and creating a more serene home environment. Together, we can transform our spaces into reflections of our best selves. Remember, you have the power to shape your surroundings and your life. Until next time, enjoy every moment in your beautifully decluttered home.